One quick trick to sound more confident. Ever felt like you sound unsure, even when you know what you're saying? Maybe your words rush out too fast. Or you ramble when you get nervous. Don't worry, it happens to everyone. Most people think talking faster sounds smarter. But actually, the opposite is true. Confident people speak slower. They take their time because they believe their words matter. Think of any great speaker you admire. Fast sounds rushed, slow sounds powerful. Each word should feel like it lands. Slower speech gives people time to trust you. Trust builds confidence. Here's the one quick trick. Pause. Just 1 second before you answer anything. It shows you're thoughtful, not nervous. 1 small second equals huge difference. On the phone, same thing. 1 breath before you speak. Confidence is calm, not rushed. The pause gives you control. It's like pressing a secret pause button on your nerves. In job interviews, speeches, even dating, pausing makes you magnetic. People listen harder when you aren't rushing. You command the room with your pace. Take your time. You'll sound more confident instantly. Pause. Breathe. Speak. Upgrade your confidence, 1 pause at a time. Subscribe for more powerful skills, only on Civility Code.